Alis na. Yumo Clark, please raise your hand.
Diana Winat Pastor.
Iyan na lang namin tayo monitor. Kung saan tawagin.
Okay, please step on the mat now.
Skip mo na din sila.
Where's Diana? Diana!
Yumo Clark, please raise your hand. And Villa Carlos Joseph.
Diana, last call.
Villa Carlos Joseph and Yumo Clark.
Coaches, please pay attention or your players will be kicked. Team advances.
Please double time. Clark Jaden,
Calling Natasha Christina.
Yusef, and Clark.
You're still gonna be on the red side, team. Players, please stay on the side. Players, stay on the side. Players and coaches, stay on the side. Players and coaches, stay on the side, please. Players and coaches, stay on the side.
Mitalia Alon, please raise your hand.
Cinco, Sebastian.
Prepare.
Cinco.
Saguban Chris Emmanuel. Prepare.
Calling 12 to 13 years old newbie Kata girls. Again, 12 to 13 years old newbie Kata girls. Please proceed to Tata Mituna. Cinco, Sebastian. Girano Prince. Girano Prince. Cinco, Sebastian. Red belt, Cinco. Cinco, Sebastian. Winner, Aka, Tomatre Maria Francesca. Next bout, Cabusas Julia and Lim Arisha. Please step on the mat. Twelve to 13 years old newbie Kata girls, please proceed to Tata Mituna. Julio Sarnal, Edanio Monique, Oliverio, Danela, Ragudo Rian, Sabang Juana, Maghatoy Negan, and
Mitalia Alon versus Saguban Chris Emmanuel.
again 12 to 13 years old newbie Kata girls.
Donig, Madali, Brooklyn, Sobrelena, please proceed to awarding area. Again, winners, please proceed to awarding area. Sobrevelia Maria and Low Brooklyn, please proceed to awarding area.
La Campra Leon from SKO, raise your hand. La Campra Leon.
Okay, announcement for those who are taking pictures and videos. You are allowed to take pictures and videos, but please refrain from using flash.
Winner.
No flash photography and videography.
Leaders.
Thank you.
Next bout, we're gonna Russia Christina and Fernandez Riley. Please step on the mats now.
Please prepare Awa, Mikael, Aka, and Dayanon Vladimir. Awa. Dayanon, please raise your hand. Okay. Awa, Mikael, please raise your hand. Okay, next bout.
Please prepare Talbot Jace
Cinco, Sebastian Gar.
Cut off the max now to Hawkeye Maria Francesca and Lim Arisha Chang. Please prepare to be Natasha, Christina, and Dalton Chase who are after this round. Rumalay Kasi, you're still gonna be on the red side. Rumalay Kasi.
Next bout, Laguda Yanis and Sebastian Cinco. Cinco, please raise your hand. Next bout, Laguda Yanis versus Cinco Sebastian.
Please prepare Marios Carmel and Etanio Monique, Oliverio Manela Rabudo Rian, Sabak Joanna, Banghadoy Megan, Andrina Fatima.
For 10 to 11 years old novice kata boys, please prepare Salgado Nas, Hakaban Isagani, Fuentes Service, Hisagan Lister, Ibali Nathan, Duenas Joel, Raz Ruiz, Dagala Ryan, Hamza Al Arbon Gandhi, Jones James, Riquelto Aaron, Tanyo Shan, Aledo Luke, Del Castillo, Torre Milano, Alexander, Rivera Akari, and Tabanyas na. Please prepare.
Next bout. 12 to 13 years old movie Kaka girls. Please prepare Cuyos, Carmel, and Daniel. Your actor is match.
Next bout, Cinco Sebastian Apa
Winner, Akay.
versus Vidala
Akay
Ano.
Maria Francesca. Next,
Cinco